Something very exciting happened today. When I got home from school, I found something. I found a package sitting right by my front door, and it's from YouTube. So I think I know what that means, and you might be able to guess what it is that YouTube sent me in the mail. So let's open it together and see what's inside. All right along the top here, slice right here. Ooh, okay, so we have some foam stuff wrapped in plastic here. Look at that. We got the fancy YouTube logo there. Let's take off the plastic. Wrapping. I'm really excited. I think it's... Ooh, all right, and inside we have a letter from YouTube. And it just says, congratulations on this milestone. And so I think it's gotta be my silver play button. Wow. Oh, that is cool. There we go. Look at that. How awesome is that? This is just so awesome. I've been waiting so long for this, and I'm really excited. And I know my students are gonna be really excited at school. Ever since I've been getting close to the 100,000 subscriber mark about the end of last year, we've just been checking my subscriber count at lessons, and my students have been cheering me on, and they're going to be so excited that I finally got my play button. I have high school marching band practice this week. I'll bring it and show off to those guys. And then on Thursday, I've got 5th grade band and also my 4th grade band on Friday. So I'm going to be bringing this into school and doing some reaction videos with my students. And I guess that'll go right about here. I have a big surprise for my 4th grade band to show them something, and Mr. Olson's going to help me. Hi, Mr. Olson.
How you doing, everybody?
How you doing, Mr. Olson? Something very special came in the mail this week. Does anybody know what it might be? Are you guys like excited that I got my silver play button?
No.
Yes! Yes!
We're proud of you.
You should do a thank you video and then keep like making
Tutorials.
more. Yeah.
Keep doing.
Make a video and then play songs on different instruments.
Okay.
For 100,000 subscribers.
Ah, that's a good idea. Nice.
Noise.
A very special moment of truth that I wanted you all to be a part of, and I know we have some people that are taking some video for me.
Hello.
Drum roll, please. Now, so what do you think about the silver play button?
I think that it's amazing. And Mr. Selfridge reached 100,000 subscribers.
I think it's awesome because Mr. Selfridge makes great videos and he explains it so well. So that's why he earned his 100,000 subscribers.
Subscribe to him.
What are some of your favorite videos?
Oh,
I liked the Shark Attack and the
Shark Attack,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh yeah, I also like the Despacito one.
Yes.
Despacito.
Are you guys all subscribers, or are you going to help me get to a
I am a subscriber.
I guess I can subscribe.
I
guess. And if you are not a subscriber, you should become a subscriber.
And if you're not a subscriber, I will hunt you down.
No. What do you think should be the future of the Mr. Selfridge YouTube channel? What kind of things should I do?
You should make a Busy Bee video.
Why are you obsessed with that
She's in love
song?
with that song.
You should do musical challenges.
Yeah. You can like say like on like Friday or like something, that every video that you post or something like every week or something. Like what's 2 beats?
Okay, I could do a quiz.
And then
Quiz show. I love
And then
quiz
whoever
shows.
commented and got it right,
Oh,
like
good
the
point.
first person or something.
All right,
Oh,
so
that's a good idea.
let's do like a quiz video, and the first commenter to get it right, what do they get?
They will get
A follower.
oh, they can.
I'll
they
follow them.
They can request a song. They can request a
Ah.
song to you, and then you play it.
Yeah,
And
you'll
you'll
learn
teach them how to play it.
Yeah, like
Okay.
if I won, you would play Busy Bee.
Mm-hmm.
And
So thank you so much, everybody out there. If you're an old school subscriber who was here from the beginning that helped me get to 100,000 subscribers, or if you're a newer subscriber, that's awesome. It's growing every day. Thank you for being here. You're helping us get to our next big milestone. And if you're not a subscriber, please click on that subscribe button. What we're going to do as a celebration of the silver play button, I'm going to do a special by request video. So what we're going to do is leave a request, leave a comment down below of a song that you'd like me to cover or do a lesson for, and also the instrument that you'd like me to do the lesson or the cover with. And in a couple weeks, I'll do a very special by request video lesson for that comment that gets the most likes. Okay, so leave your comments down below, everybody. And as always, thanks for watching. Now go practice and leave a comment. And like this video. And subscribe. Why should people subscribe?
Because if you guys don't subscribe, he's gonna stop making videos because.
Well, that's not true. I'm going to keep making videos. But,
Yes, and it will help him create better videos.
oh, wow.
Yeah, ones that you would like. So please subscribe.
Um,
Or if you please don't, I will hunt you down,
No.
as I said.
How long do you think it'll take me to get 1 million?
I'll subscribe
I will be in my last year in middle school.
You're predicting that?
Yes.
That's-
I think college.
Subscribe.
In college.
That should be like a.
Yep.